All right. Hey, everybody. Today we are talking about responding to a Google review. And if you don't know where your Google reviews are being shown, then we're going to first start off with where they are displayed to people. Uh, the main place that you want to focus on, where your Google reviews are really coming through at the top of your sales funnel, is inside Google search. So when people search for your business or search for things that your business offers, if it is the type of search that Google has identified, people are looking for resources in their immediate area or offline businesses, then you'll see this snack pack, as they call it here, where Google will kick a map inside the search results. So I'm just in regular Google search. For drop the strap marketing, I have two locations. So when you search for drop the strap, you get this pop-up that's showing the two locations. And if you look inside this map here, you'll see 5-star review, and then inside the parentheses is the number of reviews. So for this particular video, my Collierville location has 32 reviews, 5.0. My Memphis location is a newer location, and it just has 8. And today we are going to respond to one of the reviews for this Memphis location. So this is where they're displaying inside search. Also, inside Google Maps, this is a Google Maps search. This should look familiar to you when you're hunting for things nearby, say restaurants and other kind of service businesses. Here again, I've got two results that are showing up, and you can see the average result, which I have a 5-star on both of these, which I'm very proud of. And then the Memphis one, the 8 reviews, and the Collierville one, the 32. So I have received some reviews recently in my Memphis location, and I haven't responded to them yet, and I was waiting to shoot this video. So where this information is being pulled is from your Google My Business, and once you claim and set up your Google My Business, then this dashboard will look familiar to you. Over on the far left, we have reviews. You click on reviews, and then you can actually filter to show you how important Google finds this replying to reviews. Is you can filter on all your reviews, the reviews you've replied to, and the reviews you haven't replied to. So if we click the haven't replied, I'm in here addressing these 3 that have just come in the last few weeks, and I've gone ahead and written a reply to Lee here. Thank you, Lee. But Lee mentioned how great it was to work with me and for the guidance and the marketing and all that. And thank you very much. Let me hit reply, and that pops this up here. One thing to point out, you have different users on your account. You can have the owner and you have managers. When you reply, it puts the role next to the response. So if you yourself are the owner and you have the ability to do these replies, then I encourage you to show that it's the owner replying. And somewhere here I have, let's see, I have my response. Oh, I was using this character counter here. You have up to 4,000 characters, but I always like to just kind of know what I'm at. Let me paste Lee's response in here, and we can talk more about. This is a 5-star, so it's great. Love working with Lee, so it was easy to just put a review together. She has a book, she has a blog, and I've helped her with growing audience and email list growth and organic website traffic, and she has an Amazon book. So it was a pleasure to work with her, and I look forward to working with her in the future. So it was not a problem to type that all out. So I have this pre-written, and then I'll click on post reply, and there. Now I have responded to the review. And it's just that easy. We can do a whole series on other topics related to reviews, like how to respond to a 1 star and why you should, and also how to respond to anything in between the 2 to the 4 stars. So there you go. Those are the action items. If you learned something here, it would be very appreciated if you search for Drop the Strap and click on my Memphis location and leave me a 5 star review and let me know what you learned and how I helped you. I would very much appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. And of course, there's all kinds of resources at dropthestrap.com.